Ready to unlock the hidden power of your Nikon Z50 and transform it from a great camera into an extraordinary creative tool. Let's dive deep into unlocking those advanced functions that your Z50 is capable of. We'll start by navigating the heart of your camera's potential, the menu system. First, power on your Nikon Z50 now. Press the menu button, usually found to the left of the LCD screen. Use the directional pad or the rear command dial to scroll through the various menu sections. We're looking for the setup menu, often depicted by a wrench or a gear icon. Within the setup menu, locate and select custom settings. This is where the magic truly begins. Here, you'll find a plethora of options to tailor your camera's behavior to your exact needs. For instance, let's explore assigning custom functions to buttons. This allows you to quickly access frequently used features without digging through menus. Navigate to the F Controls section, then F1. Assign custom controls. Select the button you wish to modify, say the FN1 button, and then choose the function you want to assign to it. This could be anything from toggling live view shooting to adjusting your metering mode. Beyond button assignments, another way to unlock advanced features is through firmware updates. Check Nikon's official support website regularly for the latest firmware for your Z50. Updating your camera's firmware can introduce new functionalities, improve existing ones, and even fix bugs. Always follow the on-screen instructions carefully during a firmware update, ensuring your battery is fully charged. By strategically customizing your Z50's controls and keeping it updated with the latest firmware, you're not just taking pictures. You're mastering your tool and expanding your creative horizons in ways you might not have thought possible.